Guys, this is Will with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll share a little bit about these new screen protectors we have available on in our store. The link should be in the description below. Also, I'll be installing one of these screen protectors to your specific iPhone model. Here's the array of different models that we carry currently. You can find this on our website for any of these models. So let's take a look here. First, we see that this screen protector has a 9H surface hardness. And what 9H surface hardness means is that, or rather what 9H means is 9H comes from the scale or the spectrum that rates the hardness of a pencil. So 9H would be on the furthest right, or the extreme hardest pencil rating. And what this means to your screen protector is that your screen protector will not scratch from a pencil that is rated at 9H. This could be also translated to pocket items such as keys, paper clips, coins, stuff like that. So this provides a good shielding from and is scratch resistant to many sharp items. Next, we have a oleophobic coating. What this also means is that this reduces fingerprint smudging, oils, stuff like that. 2.5D curved edge. This is mainly an aesthetic part of the screen, which means that the perimeter of the screen will have a curved edge so that your finger will not catch on it and you will not cut yourself. Let's take a look inside the screen protector packaging. When you open it up, first you have instructions here, and you have a little cleaning kit and installation kit. First thing in this kit is a sort of looks like a pick or a whatever you want to call it. This here serves two functions that I can think of. First is you can use this to pry up your current screen protector that is cracked. If you don't really have fingernails, you can use this to pry that up. Also, in the end of the screen installation process, use this to push out air bubbles that's under your screen protector. Next, we have isopropyl alcohol wipes to clean the surface of your screen. We have a microfiber to dry the surface of your screen, and a dust absorber that you can use to peel this absorber, and it'll stick it to the screen, peel it up, and it'll lift up any dust left on the screen. And so this is the first part of the video. The next part of the video, whichever iPhone model you have selected or clicked for this video, we'll install that screen protector for your specific model. Here's the installation for an iPhone 11. First, we'll need to clean the surface of your screen. Get the isopropyl alcohol wipes and use this to remove grease, grime, and dust off the screen. Then use the microfiber to dry the screen. Now that the screen is dry and doesn't have any dust, There is a dust absorber you can use. I'll demonstrate how you can use this. If you have dust that you're unable to get rid of, you use the absorber like so, and it'll take on dust, absorb it. Now when you take a look at the screen protector, you have two sides of film to remove. You got step A and step B. Step A is going to be the side that is touching or coming in contact with the screen. So let's peel that one first. What we'll do is peel this step A side, have this screen protector centered. You can look at the perimeter of the glass and just eyeball it, make it centered, and then drop it down. So, alright, now that the screen is on, you can peel back this step B side. Use this card to remove any excess or any bubbles that are not coming out. And a little trick you can use if you have some bubbles that are not coming out, you can pry up that side a little bit and guide the bubbles, give it some more room to work its way out of there. And there you have it, guys, iPhone 11 screen protector installment. Thank you for watching.